Hey, what's happening? It's been a long time since I've done an episode, but I got some got some great projects coming up. I recently purchased a 1967 Lincoln Continental that needs hella work. Hella work. I bought it online. They originally said that the engine and transmission were all redone. That may be true, but I don't think it's true because my engine is leaking oil, but the rest of this car is in hella trouble. So I'm gonna show it to you right now. Check it out. Check a look. Check a look. Yeah, it looks like it was in a forest fire. It has some surface rust on it. They have completed most of the body work on it. Everything's removed. They removed all of the chrome. All of the chrome pieces are there. They are all re-chromed. They're in the car. A lot of them are still wrapped up. As you can see, this top is in. There is no top. I don't even know if it works yet. Still working on that. In the engine here, I'm just doing a couple of things. I put a new alternator in here. I am waiting for a fuel pump to come. This thing was running perfectly. It's been running perfectly. But then the other day it wouldn't start. So I'm getting no fuel going into this filter here. Nothing into the carb. So I just ordered a fuel pump. That should be arriving today. Hopefully I can get that on. It looks like it's a real easy job. Once again, I have all of this front end pieces. All of that is already in the trunk. It is all re-chromed. So that's one. That's one of my projects. And the other project I have been wanting to tackle for a long time is reviving my Chinese scooter that has been sitting since 2015. Check a look at this. I do have a video on this when I had issues with it running. I was able to get it running, and then I drove it for about a year, and then somebody hit me. I fell off. I got it got scraped up, and I haven't ridden it since then. But I am going to try to revive this thing, see if I can bring it back to life. It's been sitting in the rain. It is not happy with me right now, but whatever. It is what it is. So that's my project on that. I still got hella stuff to do on the crib. Who knows if I'll ever get to that. That stuff is kind of boring. I've been spending a lot of my time in the garage. I just need to slap up a wall, put in a window, and then it's done, and then take out all this concrete in the back. But that'll be a summer thing. I will get that done this summer. But I'm looking forward to working on this Lincoln and taking you all on the journey. It has the suicide doors. It's one of my dream cars. The interior is hella messed up in here. It's in bad shape. But I found a guy who can redo my interior for 1,800 bucks. He said he can redo the top for 1,600 bucks. His reviews are outstanding on Yelp. So yeah, so we're gonna get that going. We're gonna check out this fuel pump. Hopefully it'll be here from Amazon today. Ooh, the camera is not focusing on my grill. Okay, there we go. The pump will be here today, and let's see. Let's go on this journey. Glad you're coming with me. This is Chucks and Booze, new projects. All right now.